Yo, what up, my ninjas? I'm NinjaLuxPL. I just recorded something, but my ninja spider. Someone interrupted me, so I just deleted that. So I did a couple of things, a couple of the combos, and I just keep on burning things. I forgot what you do. What do you do? Seeds. Oh, you make more. You make more. Oh, God, no. That's a lot of mushrooms. No! Fire, 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 fire! Oh, yes, I got this, but it's not in it yet. First person shopper. So funny. Okay, so I just also. Oh, the super juicer, you're really cool. Ah, come faster. Let's get the toaster first. Okay, guys, look, listen. We need to get the toast that come out of this, okay? I'm gonna try and get them. Burn! Okay, yes, one is saved. Oh God, where are you? No, don't burn, don't burn. No, I just killed him. Actually, you give it all money, so I'm just gonna kill you. Oh, I just broke the toast. This is because you get the juicer. That keeps on working. Plus, you get dead rats. No! Oh. Tail first. Or the whole thing first. I need to get him by the nose. Tail first. Oh. Then the legs. Oh, put in the ratty. If you are a rat. Spider! There you are. Oh, his leg is left here. Some of the ashes. I wonder, does it actually do anything when you put a lot of stuff inside? They just burn those up. I mean, juice those ashes. Oh no, don't break. Let's just burn it now. Spider! You just give it out of. Oh, the saw! No, don't be on fire. I need your saw. Oh. Oops. Smoke detector. Yes. And let's just do this for a second. Guys, I need this. These are really fun. So I just. Ah, come on, be fast. Oh, I don't have any of those things. I need more combos. Let's think. Bear in a china shop. Bear in a china shop. Probably the fragile china and the bear. Okay, just do you. Mail. Breaking weather report. Oh yes, from the last one there was this thing. You missed one mail. Only one. Not really important. Just what do you call it? Sugar plums just found a bug and she tried destroying it, but then she made friends with him. She gave me the egg of the bug and it just burned it. Not really important. Forecast says, ew, smoky with smoky with a chance of thick nasal discharge. Chimney smoke and smokestack as far as the eye can see. Reporting from the weather balloon. Over the smokestacks. Over the city. The weatherman. No, please don't laugh. It's not funny. So I think you and the Chinaware stuff, you just burn together. You and you burn. Yes, I knew it. No, don't burn, don't burn, don't burn. I need the something for a second. Ah, Come on, faster. How much? That was a long time. Look at this, guys. If it is a smoke detector, I wonder does it work like this? Or if it's on fire. Look, if it's on fire, it rains. But I'm still gonna burn it. You can't break it yet into ashes. Sorry, my throat is still sore a bit. Oh yes, just gonna burn you. Unless it's a dry ice cube. Come on, touch it. Oops. So it's ice, I can break it. That's cool. That's a lot of money. Okay, so one. Yes. Look at everything here. What do I need? Deadly fish. Do I have a fish? I do have a fish. Deadly fish. I have no idea. Maybe. Wake up. Iced coffee. I didn't do that yet. Oh yes. So I need coffee and dry ice I have. Easter bunny. Probably egg pack and oh no, don't close. I keep on closing instead of picking the other thing. Bunny. Oh, I still have lots of space, so let's just buy more stuff. Egg sack. Dinnerware. Catfish. Do I have a cat? We had no cat. Or I did. Poo. And the third one had. My throat is really sore. Catfish. That's a lot of stuff. Coffee and ice, so I can just use this. So if I don't touch it. If I burn you and you, yes, iced coffee. Got it. Easter bunny is probably and these eggs and the bunny. I mean Easter bunny. It makes him don't spin around like that. Burn you and then the eggs. Yep. Spider. Money. Catfish. My throat is really annoying right now. So sorry if you just hear me like doing that thing all the time. Oh, I can buy it already. Okay. Let's just get the money. And I'll just do catfish. You fly, so you're weird. That scared me. Oh yes, he gives out peanuts and I think poop. That's nice. I need money. Give me. Thank you. That's the first time I got this catalog. That's all I'm gonna say. Tetronimals. They've been falling for as long as anyone can remember. Imitation Meat Boy. Giant Spider. Okay, I just need more money. Burn you. I mean, ice you. I need more stuff to burn. Why is this gold? Oh, is it because I did it? Oh, I think it's because. Oh, I think it's if it's. Oh, now I think I get it. I think if it's silver, you probably did it once with something. When it's gold, you use it twice. Black is 3 times? No, you were used. You can be used 3 times? Maybe. No idea. You can be used twice. I never touched. Yeah. So I think they can be used one. Egg sack. Freaked out food. Wooden block. beta, underwater, airplane mode, world of goop, puzzling adventure. Excellent joke. Such a great joke. Wooden block. Try out the wake up deadly fish. I'm guessing that the deadly fish will be probably this. Oh, is that I have it? Or is it how much times they bought it? Because I have no idea. Deadly fish. Spooty foodie. Deadly fish. You and probably the exterminator. But I have no money. I need to burn you. But I still can't buy it. Let's buy something that will give me money. I don't have barely any money. I need to buy stuff. Corn and cob. Spider. I mean, you gave me money. I could have just waited for you. Up. Still got the corn and the cob. Plus the corn and the cob. Yay! Popcorn time! Oh, that's a great fire. So sweet. Burn and everything. I can buy these. Wait, what? I want to buy that tornado. You just fly around and they just put you up like this. Can you stand up? Thank you. Put the blowfish here. Yeah. You blew up straight away. I have no idea what's a deadly fish then. Let's get some things from here. Animals. Break everything. I fire. Bye. I am watching you. I have no idea what's the... I'm watching you. What's better? I'm watching you. What camera? I mean, probably the camera. What is the camera? The camera. And I have no idea. Someone from here wandering eye and poster, toy pirate. Oh yes, I forgot you didn't have noise before, so I need to buy you again so you can hear him sing. Just break already. I just crush it all up because it's annoying sometimes. Let's build something. You get you. That's actually pretty good. And I only, I think, once played Tetris. Come on, die spider. Yeah, so listen to him singing. So I'll be quiet for a second. Yeah, he sings for a second. What happens if I burn the Tetronimals? Well, that's a big fire. That's all I'm gonna say. It also gives me quite a lot of money. No, the Tetronimals die. Can we buy us? Meat Boy and Giant Spider and Sapphire. Automatically turns all words into 3 car or less. Lol. Oh jeez, I forgot the first big. Okay, just how am I gonna say? I need to make space for the new thing. Spider. Make space for new things. Let's do Meat Boy. You jump. They make meat. Nope, you just burn. And leave nothing behind. Oh! Oh god! That just made me shivers. Oh, this spider. No, burn you. Die. You just die, spider. I hate spiders. Here, put you over on the ashes. Well, you give quite a lot. Who wants a sandwich? Me! You know what else? Bazillions of years ago, 1 billion trillions of little particles spewed into the cosmos. Entire galaxies formed like snowballs. And distant stars and sun caught on fire. And after billions of years and billions of miles, a teensy number of particles all got stuck together and created you and me and a little wall right between us. It seems impossible, but it did happen. Yeah, I guess so. And they also created this delicious ham sandwich. Nom nom nom. Thank you for your salty cosmic particles, Mr. Pig's crew. You taste like progress from your neighbor's sugar plants. Nom nom. I just burned this stuff, and I'm gonna end this video here. Come on, how do you work? Do I need to burn you for you to work? Probably. Come on, fast. I need to end this video. Let's look what it's gonna say.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that is no longer in service.
I didn't even call anybody. What if I can call sugar plants? Oh, that's a cool thing. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end this video here with me playing around with the cell phone around the face behind it. Oh jeez, you flew. I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you like it. Comment, subscribe, and as always, see you again in another video. Goodbyes.